Welcome to Elsa's set. We're going to be introducing Elsa's family next, but before, we're going to do a couple unboxings of things that will be featured in the next video introducing Elsa's family. Check out that ice skating rink. Elsa's family is going to go ice skating. Hi, Olaf. Hi, little Marshmallow. Hi, little Bruni. Please don't set fire to the set. All right, stay tuned as we unbox some awesome stuff. All right, first up is Queen Elsa of the Forest and Queen Anna of Arendelle. We'll be using Queen Elsa from this box to introduce Elsa's family. Aren't they beautiful, guys? All right, let's get them out. Here's Queen Anna of Arendelle. Gorgeous. We're going to put you right over here. And now let's go ahead and get Elsa. All right, let's get your feet out. Okay. Let's see here. Your hands are stuck. Let's use some scissors to get you out here. Okay. And then on this hand, we'll also cut that strip. There we go. Okay. Oh, and your dress is tied in, so let's cut the dress part. Not the dress, but the little cord here. There we go. And on this side as well. Are you stuck in here? Okay, we've got your body out. It's just your hair. You don't want to ruin those gorgeous locks. So, there we go. There we go. Wow, Elsa, beautiful, beautiful hair. Looks amazing. Let's get you over by your sister. You really get these dolls in very, very, very tightly. Look at the sparkles on that. That's just gorgeous. Okay. So there we have it. Okay. Next up, we have ice skating coach Barbie. This is going to be fun. Elsa will need an ice skating coach to help her with her family when they go ice skating. I mean, Elsa doesn't really need a coach, but it's nice to teach your kids that there are all types of coaches out there that can help us improve our skills, right? So we're going to be unboxing ice skating coach Barbie. Here she comes. All right, let's unbox ice skating coach Barbie. Okay, let's get these scissors. So she has a cute little bag. Nice. And then it looks like there's a trophy here. So when she coaches and her students do a really good job, they can earn this cute little trophy. Okay. Here is her student. She's super cute. Has this cute little sparkly dress and then these really adorable, cute little ice skates. They're tiny and so adorable. She might have to lend these to one of Elsa's daughters just for fun. Okay. And then next we have this. This is to help spin the little girl. She is going to have a lot of fun on that. So let's stick her leg in here. And then let's get this instructor out. I hate when they have these little things at the back of the head, so I gotta get them off. Okay. So, ice skating Barbie. She's got these cute black pants, this cute shirt that says love, and these cute ice skates that are white. All right. Now let's see her in action with her student. Okay, so she is going to come down and she's going to stick her ice skate in here, and then she's going to push and she's going to twirl. You see that? Woohoo! We are skating along this awesome skate pond and you are twirling around. So awesome. Check that out. All right, next we're going to be unboxing Skating Star Barbie. She's a special edition. She's from 1995. All right, next is Skating Star Barbie. Okay, Skating Star Barbie, 1995 from Mattel. She's really pretty. Let's check her out. Oh wow, I love her outfit and her skates, and of course she has a brush. Back then they always included a brush. Okay, let's see here. We are going to have to untie some stuff. And we'll probably need to use our scissors to cut some of this stuff. Oh, whoops. I missed this top one. Part is, I don't think you need scissors, you actually just need to. There she is. Beautiful ice skating star Barbie. Wow, such a beautiful outfit. Apparently she can't keep her shoes on, but she is gorgeous. All right, stay tuned for the next video introducing Elsa's family. Subscribe and like today. Bye-bye.